It is a do or die for South Africa, Bafana Bafana, against the Brave Warriors of Zimbabwe in the match day 3 of the AFCON 2025. This is the last match of Group B. This is a definitive match because it could determine whether South Africa makes it to the last 16 round of the AFCON or Zimbabwe makes it. So both teams are coming to this match needing to collect maximum points. Although in the South Africa's case, a draw will give South Africa 4 points because South Africa has already got 3 points that they accumulated in match day 1 against Angola. Of course, we know that South Africa went on to lose on match day 2 against Egypt under